honorable ministers, my colleagues, reporters and journalists who have come from different media organizations across the country, permanent secretaries from the various ministries that are featured on this program today, directors, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. May I again seize this opportunity to welcome the Honorable Minister of Agriculture, the Honorable Minister of Environment, the Honorable Minister of Water Resources, and the Honorable Minister of State Agriculture to this very, very important national dialogue on the progress that has been made by the Good Governance Administration since its accession to power. This ministerial platform has been set up, as I said on Tuesday, to start up a national conversation on the progress Nigeria is making. Democracy is about people's welfare. Democracy is about development, among all other things. And therefore, since the president came to power, we have been working, particularly the ministers in our various sectors, to improve the welfare of our people. I want to therefore call on the media, particularly on Nigerians at home, in their workplaces, at home and abroad, to follow on this program. This program is not a program to talk at the people. It's a program to start up a conversation with people's participation. Not only the journalists in this world. As you do know, this program is being streamed live on all the social media networks. So wherever you are in the world, on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, and all the other social media platforms, you are expected to participate in this program by following on what you are doing, asking questions. I said on Tuesday that 1 year is not enough for any administration to conclude these programs. What we are doing is progress reports from the various ministries to the people of Nigeria and friends of Nigeria. Let me call on our people at this time to keep partisan politics aside and contribute to national development. Like I have had a cause to explain several times in my media outings, every democracy has seasons. There is season for election and there is season for work to deliver services to the people. In Nigeria, we just came out of the season of elections. This is the season for work, season for those elected and those appointed on delegated authority like ministers and other authorities to deliver on services to the people. Let me call therefore on all political parties to participate in this debate wherever they are. This is not about PDP, this is about Nigeria. This is about progress for the development of our country. There are always doubting tendencies in the democracy, but there are people who think nothing is going on. It is not true. Let me say emphatically, there is a lot of progress being made by this government. A lot of work is going on in the field. On Tuesday, we heard from two ministries, from the Ministry of Works and also from the Ministry of Transport. We saw the kind of record of achievements that were unveiled to the people of Nigeria. In the Ministry of Works, for example, 13 roads have been completed in the last 1 year in this country. And work is going on in all the major roads. There are challenges, of course, because of the lack of sufficient resources to take on all the projects that have been started in the field. But the ministry is prioritizing its projects to deliver on those projects phase by phase. We heard from the Ministry of Transport that millions of people in Nigeria are traveling by rail, particularly in southwestern Nigeria, where the rail lines have been completely rehabilitated. We also heard from me that between now and the end of the year, the rail line linking Lagos onto the Lori, Mina, Kafanchan, and Kano will be completely rehabilitated. And the rail services will once again start between the northwest, the north central, and southwest. We also had hope that the rail line from Port Harcourt through the southeast of Nigeria North Central, and then the Northeast of Maiduguri is under rehabilitation. And we saw how that a major modern line between Abuja and Kaduna is progressing at pace. Now today we are going to hear from 3 ministries: agriculture, water resources, and environment. Let me tell you that a major plan of President Jonathan's administration in creating wealth for the people of Nigeria is through these ministries: the Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Water Resources, and the Ministry of Environment. And I must confess that having sat in council with my colleagues in the last 1 year, shortly less than a year for those who joined us after the election, we have seen momentum in this ministry. In the Ministry of Water Resources, all the major dams in northern Nigeria that were abandoned by previous governments are now back, and work is going on apace in those dams. The president has also awarded new dams in all parts of the country, particularly in the north, where we are directing this region to regenerate the wealth we used to see in the First Republic, which is agriculture. So we are going to hear a lot today from the Ministry of Water Resources and from agriculture, which is indeed the main thrust of the President's program for job and wealth creation. We have had right in the saddle a very talented scholar, a practical technocrat, Dr. Adesina Akinwumi, who has brought new vision, new momentum into the Ministry of Agriculture. The transformation that is going on in the Ministry of Agriculture is expected to offer Nigeria food security and also the creation of jobs for millions of our school leavers. He has been doing very well. I don't want to speak for him, and I know he is one of the most outspoken people when it comes to delivering on what he's doing, the revolutionary changes that are going on in agriculture. He's backed by Dr. Buka Chetima, one of the most talented scholars also. And so this ministry, agriculture, is being driven by scholars and technocrats, and it is indeed on a solid foundation. Now, in the Ministry of Environment, we have here also a very strong and visionary woman, Hadiza Miladia, who has brought new business into the question of environmental challenges Nigeria is facing. As you know, we face the twin problem of desert encroachment as well as deforestation in the southern part of the country and golden erosion. She has been bringing a lot of ideas to the ministry, to the executive council in recent times. These 3 ministries we chose them because they have a synergy, and we will therefore want to call on them to give Nigerians the highlight of what they are doing. They have 30 minutes each to speak on the progress they are making. Now, after 30 minutes, they will be stopped because we need Nigerians to participate in this program. Those things they are not able to say. When the questions come, they will have the opportunity to touch on other issues. So what we expect is 30 minutes of explaining your programs, the achievements, the highlights of what is going on in the field, and then we will ask the audience to ask questions. We are also going to collect questions from the social media so that they can participate. I welcome you. Thank you very much. And for Nigeria, democracy is the best thing. This is work in progress. This administration will definitely change the way this country works, and it's going to touch on the lives of our people. Thank you for your attention and welcome to the party.
That was the only voice of the administration. Can we put our hands together for those in the section in the past? Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen.